Hi everybody, Daniel from DB Design, and today I want to introduce you to the GDPR services we have lately implemented in our plugin and explain you how they work and how you should work with them. So I have our website here, and I will now go to inspect the website. So I can click on here Applications and Cookies, and then I can see here, oh, there are many cookies set like that ones here that I do not need. So what you need to do is remove all script tags or any tracking scripts or something like that, like Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel, into our GDPR services. And how you can do this, there are possible ways that I want to show you now. First of all, you can either use this tool here to check what cookies your site is using, or you're using a website named cookie-checker.com that you can call, and then you can call your URL to see what cookies your site is using. But we will stay with this one here, and we can see we have analytics and something else here set. So we will look into our source code just to prove it's a script. And we are looking for G-tag, for example. And we can see here that an old analytics tag is still on the website. And that one we should move into our GDPR services. So I will now go into the backend of my website. And now I need to search for, of course, the plugin that is installed, or the thing that is causing the script to be on the website. I know that in my theme panel or in my custom actions, I have set this script tag here. You could also have another plugin like Facebook Pixel plugin, Pixel Your Site, or whatever. There are many plugins that are tracking your code, tracking your website's data, and you should of course know about them and know that if you leave them on your website, they will still be tracking your users, even if they don't allow it. So I will now remove this one. I'll click on Save Changes here, and then I'll make sure that the script tag is removed. Yep, we can see no more G tag here. That is very good. So now we can put this into our GDPR services, and there are two ways. The first one is to go to our services part here, and then we create a new service. Let's call this Google Analytics. And then we can write here, we use analytics for tracking website data. We should check this into our analytics category here. Of course, it should be deactivatable, and we can put the script tag here. Then we say it's the GA and the GD cookie that was used, and we can click on Publish. But there's also another way, because before we have used custom integrations, we can also go into the settings part. Then we click here on Services, and we click on Analytics. Where is it? There. And here we can also place our tag. We click on Save Changes, and then we click here on Migrate Services. That is a feature that we offer where the description will automatically be created and also the cookies that are set to this service. So when I now click on it, I can see that the Google Analytics service is automatically be created with the cookies here. Same as with the description. And it's correctly checked into the service category. But for normal users, you should create the services manually to be on the safe side here, of course. So what can we now do is checking if everything works. So I will go to the website. I can see that GA and cookies are not integrated, and you can see that analytics is on. So if we now go into the source code, we can see that there is no G tag, which is good. But if we go into the live DOM code or the live source code of your website, like here with the elements, and then search for G tag, you can see that it has been implemented correctly. by means that if it's enabled, if analytics here is enabled, it will be rendered and it will be automatically put into the head of your script tag, or in the head of your website with the script tag. So that is mainly the part how it's working. And one thing that we will introduce in the next version is that you can allow the whitelist removal, use the cookie whitelist. And if this is enabled, then all cookies except the ones you have set here will always be removed if the service is not activated. So that was it. If I would, for example, remove this here, then in the next step, this GTAG here will also not be loaded and the user will not be tracked. Of course, this is a lot of work if you have many tracking scripts, or if you have custom plugins who are doing more than just putting a script tag on your website. So you have to decide on your own if you can live with having the plugin installed. Then you can still create a service like that one here and remove the cookies. But of course, the script tag from the other plugin will still be rendered every time. But that is, of course, up to you. So I hope this one explained you how to work with our services. And I would say have a nice day and enjoy our plugin. Bye.